Thanks for joining us today. I'm Sam Boyk, and this is Mile High Living. When changes in your overall health and wellness appear, it can really feel like a complicated puzzle, getting to the root of what changed and why you may feel off balance, so to speak. Now, if this is the year that you want to take back control and understand the symptoms that are affecting your everyday life, there's a functional medicine provider in Denver offering expert care. So board-certified nurse practitioner Erika Shepard joins me again from Forum Health Denver. Great to have you again on the show.
Thank you so much, Sam.
Yes, now, hormones.
Yeah.
These can be so confusing for so many people. What are hormones, and really why should we care about our hormones?
Absolutely. So this is such a buzzword. We've heard about testosterone, estrogen, your thyroid. Hormones are chemical messengers that our body produces to tell our body what to do on the cellular level. So they're giving that communication, telling them what to do. When they're balanced and we have enough of them, we feel great, we feel amazing. And when we're depleted or they're firing at the wrong time, that's when we start to feel really out of balance.
Okay, are there any common symptoms that our hormones are off balance?
Absolutely. The most common things I see in my practice when people are coming in, they're like, I'm really tired, but I'm getting enough sleep. I can't lose that extra 5 to 20 pounds, even though I'm doing everything right, which is so frustrating for people. People are experiencing GI issues. They're like, I'm constipated or I'm going to the bathroom all the time. That could be a sign of hormone imbalance. Or they have low libido, even though they get along with their partner, they're loving life, but they're just like, I'm just not feeling it and I don't feel like myself.
Okay, and how would you say that hormones are connected to like the other systems in our body and how those function?
Absolutely. Hormones are not a solo instrument. They're part of an orchestra, and so they listen to how every other body system is functioning. And so when we check for hormones, we don't just check the hormone levels, we check how other parts of the body are functioning, like your gut, how you're sleeping, how you're experiencing stress. Those are all things that can contribute, and inflammation. We hear that word all the time, inflammation. If those things are off balance, they will disrupt your hormones.
Okay, how does functional medicine differ when it comes to hormone care?
Absolutely. So we look at the whole picture, and so we're going to look at your hormone levels, which is often missed in conventional medicine. Now, we also practice conventional medicine. We are concierge primary care, but we also look at the hormone levels and how your other body systems are functioning. So we want to get to not just how your hormones are looking, but why are they acting in the way that they're acting.
Okay, I heard you earlier mention stress, the dreaded word that we all seem to like deal with, right? And you really were telling me this can be a major impact to your hormones, is that right?
Absolutely. In my opinion, it's probably the biggest factor right now in my opinion, of why hormone imbalance is such an epidemic right now. I think stress is the biggest contributor. Once your cortisol levels go up, which is one of our hormones, it's our stress hormone, it will impact all your other hormone systems as well. So you can do simple things, every day to help with that. You can go for a 30-minute walk, spend time with your friends, do things that you enjoy to lower your stress levels so that you can have a better chance at having balanced hormones.
Yeah, because it seems like in our everyday lives now, I was mentioning to you earlier, you've got that feeling of being chased by the tiger, and it's chronic and it never ends, right?
Yeah, exactly. Like our ancestors were they would have these bursts of running away from tigers.
Yeah.
But now, like you said earlier, the tiger is constantly on our back. Yeah. It's the emails, it's the sending the kids to this place, that place, this to-do list that's this long. And so we have to understand that this stress that nobody's talking about is the biggest contributor to our health issues today, in my opinion. And so I'm asking all my patients, how are your stress levels? And they're like, well, of course, they're horrible. And it's something we have to address in the bigger picture.
Okay, well, I do want to get to an event that you guys have next Wednesday. Tell us more details on this.
Absolutely. So next Wednesday, we are having an event at the Seasons in Cherry Creek, and we are doing a talk on peptides, hormones, lifestyle, nutrition. So me and Dr. Grover, we would love to have you. It is a free event. If you've ever wondered about how these things are impacting you or how they can help you, we would love to have you.
Sounds absolutely fantastic. And before we go, give our viewers some of those great tips. I know you were already kind of mentioning some, but what can they do right now today to try to help them if they feel like they might have a hormone imbalance of some sort?
Absolutely. So you know how they say, if you see something, say something. If you feel something, say something. You're allowed to talk to your provider about this. If you don't have a supportive provider that is dismissive of hormones, you can find another provider. We here at Forum Health Denver, we can check your hormones if that's the only thing you want to do. And also just, again, focus on stress, reducing stress. You want to also just be proactive, make sure you're doing your annuals, but don't be afraid to ask your provider about your hormones.
This is wonderful advice. Thank you so much for bringing this to us, and thanks for hosting that event next week.
Absolutely.
For folks in
Thanks
our
so much,
community.
Sam. Thank you.
And now the dedicated team at Forum Health Denver offers concierge medicine with a range of specialties personalized for your needs. As a functional medicine and regenerative health clinic, they're transforming the healthcare landscape with a commitment to well care. To make an appointment, call 720-790-3714 or visit forumhealthdenver.com. They paid for this segment. Stay with us.